Well, in a step towards ensuring the growth of women and empowering them, various skill development programs have been initiated in Manipur. Groups of women, mostly from the rural areas of the state, are undergoing skill training across various fields to be self-reliant. A report.
Women are an important element of our society. The modern society has started recognizing the individual identity of women. However, in a move towards improving the societal status of women folks, especially in rural parts of northeastern state of Manipur, various skill development training programs are being organized in the state. Hundreds of women from far-flung areas of the state are undergoing training in various activities like tailoring and cutting, which is in a way making them self-reliant and independent. The 4-month-long training that has commenced on December last year was organized by Northeast Building and Other Construction Workers Union, Khundrakpam Assembly Constituency, Uyumpok Development Forum under the Department of Labour, Government of Manipur. The training programs aimed at bringing the skills of the women to the forefront and making them empowered for a better future. This is yet another step towards the direction of fulfilling the vision of Make in Manipur.
Education level si makoi sa 10 amasung 10 plus 2 na swaida ayam thopire adu graduation gumba su yawe adu makoi di masing yaman thai trade si ko thamari ko na sa jabani adu masi thamari si ta ko swaida ko phangani thaje kari gumba masi da ko da khali panam si phangbangam jagadi akoi na makha ta ba thamari amasu akoi sathana bagi da makhana jabani je financial involvement si masi department of labor government Manipur na koi machine pi bani adu ga atopa management sarok si di akoi organization na machine manage jabani adu masi da akoi apikpa amount da akoi thamagi fees akoi logje adu gi bathak ta koi organization su paisa khara kona bond toraga sigum training si kona sinjabani.
Realizing the potential of these women folks, 200 sewing machines have been already provided in training centers and are allocated to 6 gram panchayats of Khundrakpam constituency. Training as such is nurturing the skill of the women and at the same time serving as mean to earn their livelihood and contribute largely for their families.
Center mahangaga koi phi logdaraga turaga amuk thaba ko school gumba gi oraga ju logdaraga dumaina thahan jen haina matam gi haigadara adumaina moi laaga de adu jo dum jana ba tawjena.
A total of 640 trainees including young girls are undergoing the training. 180 trainees per center in 4 shifts. 1 instructor and 4 assistants are assigned for the training in each center. Presently, 30 sewing machines are provided in each 6 centers, which will be enhanced further as more demand from enthusiastic trainees have increased in the state.
Aina imung manungda nupa khatana puraga ngamaktaba adudagi aisu mateng pangjange khallaga adumai torokon phayena khale yamna training si lorakanda ai lo lauraga thabak tawge haina khal maru oina ahambagi oina khoi top hana haure.
Skill development training in Northeast has received impetus of growth, giving trust to several sectors to promote employment and entrepreneurship. And organizing such training programs, especially for the women of northeastern states, will not only enable them to secure a better livelihood, but will also ensure that they get mainstream roles in new sectors.